Stop by and take a look at the 2022 Sprinter. For those with a job to do, look no further. The Mercedes Sprinter is for you. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, heated mirrors, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, tires, front all season, tires, rear all season, four-wheel disc brakes, rear wheel drive, steel wheels. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.